The Alsace region in eastern France has jockeyed between being French and German throughout history. Currently in France, its capital city is Strasbourg, which has a charming French Quarter, impressive cathedral, and a variety of culinary options travelers won't want to miss. Michel Zincuder is taking me on a locals tour.
This is an interesting part of France because it's changed hands so many times between Germany and France.
Yes, many times. That's why we used to speak many languages. In the morning we speak German because we go to Germany for shopping, it is cheaper. In the afternoon we speak French because we are French. And in the evening we speak Alsatian, you see. And our food is like in Germany, you see. Do you know which is the most famous Alsatian dish? What do Alsatian people like to eat? What is it?
I don't know, but I bet you're going to show me.
La pizza! La pizza!
That's so Italian!
No, but we call our pizza flammekueche. And we don't put tomatoes on the pizza. We put cream, we put onions, we put bacon, and sometimes we put our typical cheese, which is a Munster cheese. Munster cheese is very good, but the smell is terrible.
Michel takes me to try the Tart flambé, or as he calls it, stinky cheese pizza, topped with Munster cheese from the Alsatian town of Munster.
Excellent.
That's good.
That's good, you like?
I mean, it's got some good bacon and salt and cheese and cream.
And onion.
What's not to like?
And now you are Alsatian.
Cheers.
Cheers, salty.
Next, we're trying another local treat, the Kugelhopf.
This is the typical Alsatian cake. The name is Kugelhopf with H. It's like the Italian panettone, it's sweet and soft. And if you want to enjoy the Kugelhopf, you take a big cup of coffee, and we do it with wine much better.
It's sweet, but not too sweet.
Not too sweet. That's why you can dunk in the sweet wine.
Kugelhopf.
Kugelhopf with H.
Because a great way to see Strasbourg is on foot with a local expert to guide you to those bakeries, tart flambé hotspots, and other hidden gems that make Alsace's capital city so memorable.